Okay, there's water under the ice.
And my feet are freezing cold.
Yeah.
And Tess is probably too.
Tess just fell in.
Carefully.
I can't get the thought that I could breathe out of my head. No, you're gonna kill me.
I'm not gonna kill you. You're already doing something life-threatening. Oh my gosh! My foot just went in actual water.
Hey, who wants to jump the ditch?
I will. I can jump in anything. Okay, ready?
That's the ditch. Oh my gosh!
Film it?
You guys, this is full of potholes.
Ready?
Yeah.
So this one, I took this. I don't think that's
You guys, this thing is full of potholes where you just fall through unexpectedly. Guys, this is stupid. Okay, this is solid.
Wow, this was right. Who said this? You don't say it. Like, I don't trust
If we wouldn't have trusted